How to change HelloFresh meal preferences. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to change HelloFresh meal preferences. So here's what you need to do. So you can generally update the plan settings or manually swap individual recipe for a specific week as well. And all changes must be made by 11:59 p.m. Or 5 days before your scheduled delivery as well. For that, open the HelloFresh app onto your device, lock it, after which you simply want to tap on the profile sections, and when you go to this section you will be able to find plan settings. Since I have not created plan, so the option isn't available, so you just have to go to the plan settings, and underneath you will be able to find meal preferences section. Simply want to tap onto the meal preferences box, select your new preferences, whether it's family, friends, or Carb Smart, and just tap onto the save button. And once you've made changes, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and confirm it. And that's how you will be able to do it. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.